Good morning, students, and welcome back to the session of virtual class. This is sixth module for the chapter Agriculture. But before we start today, I would like to make a humble request to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And don't forget to write your name and section in the comment box. Let's proceed. Children, today we are going to learn about impact of globalization on agriculture. Globalization, a very common term which we are using nowadays. But what do we mean by it? It is the connection of different parts of the world resulting in the expansion of international, cultural, economic and political activities. It is the movement and integration of goods and people among different countries. It is not a new phenomenon. It was there at the time of colonization when European traders came to India. At that time too, Indian spices were exported to different countries of the world, and farmers of South India were encouraged to grow these crops. Till today, it is one of the important items of export from India. During the British period, cotton belts of India attracted the British, and ultimately cotton was exported to Britain as a raw material for their textile industries. Cotton textile industry in Manchester and Liverpool flourished due to the availability of good quality cotton from India. Children, you must have heard about Champaran movement which started in 1917 in Bihar. Now why this movement started? What happened exactly? Actually, at that time there was great demand for Indian indigo. The reasons for the same were quite obvious. Firstly, the great spread of the cloth industry as a result of industrial revolution in Europe led to the demand of Indian indigo because it produced a net blue color. Secondly, the indigo plantation in India became so profitable that many British officials of the company left their jobs and themselves took part in indigo plantation. Thirdly, the East India Company even advanced loans to the British planters to come to India and set up their indigo plantation units. So, we can say that this was started because farmers of that region were forced to grow indigo on their land because it was necessary for the textile industries which were located in Britain. They were unable to grow food grains to sustain their families. Under globalization, particularly after 1990, the farmers in India have exposed to new challenges. Despite being an important producer of rice, cotton, rubber, tea, coffee, jute, and spices, our agricultural products are not able to compete with the developed countries. The reasons for this were the new challenges, and the challenges are reduction in public investment by government in the agricultural sector, particularly in areas of irrigation, power, rural roads, market, and mechanization. Subsidy on fertilizers has decreased, leading to increase in the cost of production. Reduction in import duties on agricultural products has proved detrimental to agriculture in the country. All these factors have led to stiff international competition. Farmers are thus withdrawing their investment from agriculture, causing a downfall in agricultural employment. Today, Indian agriculture finds itself at the crossroads. To make agriculture successful and profitable, proper thrust should be given to the improvement of the condition of marginal and small farmers. The Green Revolution promised much, but today's it's under controversies. It is having some drawbacks. They are due to overuse of chemicals, land degradation has taken place. Excessive irrigation caused drying of aquifers. It became a cause for vanishing biodiversity. It has widened the gap between poor and rich farmers because only agriculturally rich areas have benefited from it and not the small farmers. The keyword today is gene revolution, which includes genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is recognized as a powerful supplement in inventing new hybrid varieties of seeds. In fact, organic farming is much in fashion or style today because it is practiced without factory made chemicals such as fertilizers and pesticides. Hence, it does not affect environment. A few economists think that Indian farmers have a bleak future if they continue growing food grains on the holdings that grow smaller and smaller as the population rises. Indian farmers should diversify their cropping pattern from cereals to high value crops. It will improve their income. It will reduce environmental degradation at the same time. Fruits, medicinal herbs, flowers, and vegetables need much less irrigation than rice or sugarcane. India's wide variety of climates can be harnessed to grow a wide range of high value crops. Definitely, if we are going to adopt this type of changes, it is going to affect our economy. India has to import food. If we import food while exporting high value crops, our economy will grow. Children, that's all for today. Now, note down your homework. Describe the impact of globalization on Indian agriculture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Write your name and section in the comment box. Any query, please write that also in the comment section. Thank you.